Alright guys, so like I told you guys, we are going to be testing out our Go strategy, right? And this is exactly what we have been doing over the week, guys, with over 300 plus free VIP members. And trust me guys, these traders are serious. And we have been catching a lot of movement, a lot of guys. I mean, we're in 3-0 winning streak, guys. So we have only taken just one loss, which is on Thursday, yesterday. And so far, 3 wins, right from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Even yesterday straight self, it was almost kind of skeptical because I didn't want to take it, but due to the fact that I have a trading sample to show the win rate of that particular strategy, so I want to publish it on YouTube. So I was forced to take a trade on Thursday, even if it wasn't giving what the strategy wants. But I just had to place the trade, and we lost just 10 pips. So today is currently Friday, guys. Enough of all the blabbing. Today is the last day, and I'm going to be trading live with you guys right now. As you can see, I'll just open up my trading view now, and I'm going to be trading live. So today is going to be the last day of testing out my strategy. And once we finish our live trading session, I'm going to explain this strategy from A to Z, and back testing the previous trade that we actually do. Yeah, that will be like as an evidence to the strategy. And also this live trade too is supposed to be an evidence. So without further ado, like you guys know, before opening on any trade, I do what to do what check my analysis on Fastball. And of course, I've kind of did my analysis and discovered that there was high impact news around 1:30. Yeah, 1:30 Nigerian time. Of course, I did well to stay off that market. One amazing feature you guys might not know about the Fastball is this general chart room, guys. As you guys can see, these are actual real-time traders, guys, dropping analysis, buyers towards, or talking about forex in general, whatever they want or whatever they see. Just like this now, I can just literally come here and say I'm looking at gold. Just look at this now. I'm looking at gold. Let me type looking at gold. Boom, I'm looking at gold, and then I can just send this to the general chat room. Of course, this is real time, guys. Real time. And of course, I can post my analysis. I can just go to the chart future, yeah, the free chart Fastball chart future, and just check my analysis there, and I can just literally drop it right to this free chat room. With the new Fastball chart future, thousands of traders from across the globe can chat and communicate about forex. I mean, you can literally share your trading idea or share your chart analysis with thousands of traders in different countries. And this is not even the crazy part. The crazy part is that you can literally join any group that you want. Yeah, so there are a list of groups that you can join. Whether if you're a gold trader, you can meet other gold traders from across the globe. In an enclosed community where you guys can discuss and do other stuff. You also get to create your own group. So if you have some couple of friends, or if you've met a couple of friends in the chat future or in the chat section, you guys can also come together and create your own personal group. So of course, the advantage has no limit, guys. I mean, you get to enjoy premium futures right from the chatbot trading section. And not only that, you also get to meet other traders from different countries. And that's why I will now recommend Fastball, either when you are doing your fundamental analysis, which is checking the news and see if there's going to be any high impact that's going to disturb your trading, and also the technical part too, where you be drawing your support resistance levels using your fib. I mean, the fact that you get premium futures for free and you can backtest as much as you want, is what is mind-blowing. So make sure you guys check out Fastball, guys, and I'll leave a link down in the description. So without further ado, guys, let's get back into the charts. Well, I guess we all saw the trade together, guys, and I mean, it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. So super transparent here. I really, really wanted to catch a win for this week, guys, because I mean we got a win on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, but we lost on Thursday, and today's Friday too, and I think we also lost on Friday. But at the end of the day, at the end of the year, this is kind of like a rewarding week for us, because trust me, guys, any trade I'm entering here, our first TP is at least what a 1 to 2. Without further ado, guys, let me just show you guys the long and awaited strategy that we've all been waiting for. So let's open to the chat, guys. Anything price does around what? Around 3 p.m., 3 o'clock Nigerian time, which is WAT. So I'll just put 3 p.m. right here. WAT. Make sure you guys, for those that are outside Nigeria, those that are not in our country, WAT is West African time, and the 3 p.m. is what I'm talking about. So make sure you guys convert this time. The time I'm using on trading view, as you guys can see, is Lagos, WAT 3 p.m. So whatever price does around 3 p.m. is what you are going to follow, guys. So if price sells on gold in 3 p.m., you sell with gold. And if price buys with gold, you buy with gold during 3 p.m. Now, also there's a catch to it, right? If at some point in time, let's take for instance, you miss this 3 p.m. drop or this 3 p.m. buy, there's usually a retracement that occur around what? Around 3:30. That is what, literally what, 30 minutes after what? After the drop or buy that occurs around 3 p.m. So let's take for instance now, around 3 o'clock, price sold. Around 3:30, price will do what? Price will retrace a little. Might actually even retrace to the point that I even sold to around 3 o'clock before what? The sale will now continue. So you might want to say, okay, you might not want to get in at this 3 p.m. Your own entry might be after what? After 3:30. Same thing applies to buy. So if price buys around what? Around 3 o'clock, buys around 3 o'clock, price might what? Retrace during 3:30 before it now continues towards the upside, or let's say pull back, either retrace or pull back before what? It continues towards that trend that it has started around 3 o'clock. So also there's a catch to it too, because I said once it's 3 p.m. follow the trend doesn't actually mean that once it's 3 p.m. you see that price is buying on the 5 minute or the 1 minute candle, then you now start entering buy. No, it doesn't mean like that. So you can literally wait for what? Either wait for 5 minutes after 3 o'clock to get to the trend, or wait for 10 minutes after 3 p.m. Just to what? Just to get a deeper understanding or a better understanding of that market condition. So because I said you should buy once price hit 3 o'clock, because I said if you see buy once it's 3 o'clock, that's when you know enter buy. No, it doesn't actually work like that. Also, we want to use these two words with other confirmations, or with what? Other influence or other stuff that you're seeing in the market. So without further ado, enough of all this blabbing, guys. Let's see evidence, right? Let's back test and see what we've actually done with this strategy in this week, which is the purpose of me making this video, right? So this is our VIP group, guys. So let me quickly show you guys what we've actually done. Sorry. Yeah. So this is, as you guys can see, July 22nd. So this is Monday, guys. On Monday, we didn't actually, I don't used to trade on Monday, so we didn't use our 3 p.m. strategy. I just called a sale on gold. I think we ended up catching about 80 plus pip. As you guys can see, full TP was taken, and I think this was the trade on Monday. Sorry about this. Yeah, this was the trade on Monday, and now this is Tuesday, guys. So on Tuesday, you guys see that exactly around 3:09, I called the sale on gold. That is what, using this 3 o'clock strategy, I called the sale on gold. Boom. Let me show you guys how this trade actually played out, right? So let's zoom in, show you guys how this trade actually played out. So around 3:09 was when I called or took our entry. Yeah, as you guys can see, 3:09. So this candlestick right here was actually what I followed. So basically, I knew that price was kind of like selling. You guys will see that the overall trend was kind of like what was bearish, right? So of course I should be looking for sell entry. So this 3 o'clock movement, this 3 o'clock movement actually gave us what an opportunity to sell. That's why I say sometimes you might actually be patient for about 5 minutes after three, because as you guys can see, immediately 3 o'clock immediately 3 o'clock right here. This was what happened during 3 o'clock, the sale. So I missed this sale, but that didn't mean that I panicked. Immediately I saw another opportunity, I took myself. So if it was that you entered off here, this was around what 302. You guys can see the time around 302 right here. This sale that occurred. If it that you still entered and set your stop loss to about 20 pips. So when I entered, the sale was called, the entry position was called around 2404. Of course, this is kind of like 24. That's 2404. Okay, 2404 is around at this point here, but still, I think it's still around this position. But the entry was actually taken right here, 2404. After I saw that this candlestick closed as well as a weak rejection, and I literally knew that what happened right here was basically a liquidity grab. This resistance zone was supposed to be respected, so we took our entry right here, and our stop was what, just 20 pips above, and our first TP was 40 pips. Yeah, I think at least a 1 to, yeah, at least a 1 to 2. Our first TP was at 2400, 40 pips. And price at the end of the day went to eat only our TP1. Yeah, only our TP1 for that day actually. Just our TP1 price eat for just that day. So now let's see how price plays out. Yeah, let's see how price plays out. Boom, guys. This was literally what happened. So price ended up taking our TP1, and of course we secured profit and broke even. And at the end of it, I think price reversed on us and stopped me at break even. But this was the profit we initially secured for that day. So price kind of like went back and reversed. So let's not take note of that 330 retracement, right? So this is 330 here. You guys will see that during 330, price have kind of like retraced. Now let's see if the trend actually continue. Let's see if the trend actually continue after 330. I think this is what I'm actually talking about. But I didn't even know, because I didn't even follow price after 330. I only traded 3 o'clock. But let's see. Let's not take, for instance, after you've gotten this 330 retracement around like 337. Let's take, for instance, you now take another sell, and then your SL was here. And then your SL was here, and then the TP target was at this position. A more risk rewarding trade, right? So let's see if price actually got there, because I didn't even know whether price got there or not. Boom, guys, as you guys can see, price has literally dropped about 1 to 3 already. So this is literally what I'm saying. Whatever price does around 3 o'clock, the momentum follows. So during 330, there's usually a retracement, and after 330 retracement, the sell that happened during 3 o'clock might also continue. So hope this is clear. So this is example 1, guys. So let's see if we actually get extra examples. So this was Tuesday, and let's see if we get so Monday I called another sale. Wednesday I called another sale around 306. Let's see Wednesday. Yeah, let me delete all the drawing, guys, so you guys can actually see. All right, guys. So at 306, I called a sale around 2426.50. So now let's see 306. I called the sale around 346. So this sale, of course, had already happened around 2 o'clock. So now let's see what happened around 3 o'clock. All right. So this is currently 244. Okay. Boom, guys. So this was the point I called the sale, guys. So a sale already occurred around 2 o'clock, but that wasn't extra confirmation. But immediately I saw what this push towards the upside. So after during 3 o'clock, made 3 o'clock happened, I saw a push towards the upside. But this weak rejection right here actually signified that what is not a buy. What happened right here was just a liquidity. The 3 o'clock liquidity grab, and that's why I told you guys that you might not want to enter immediately 3 o'clock. I mean, I want to be patient, see like 5 minutes later or 10 minutes later. But sometimes let's take for instance now, price just bought and didn't give you what this week rejection, and price just continue buying. That really mean that the 3 o'clock move is bullish and not bearish. All right, it's simple as that. Or you might just get an instance that this is 3 o'clock, right? So this is 3 o'clock, right? Yeah, boom, right there. This is 3 o'clock. So price breaks once price literally drops, and breaks that candlestick, that opening candlestick of the 3 o'clock movement, that means what price is actually selling. But if price doesn't drop and break that 3 o'clock candlestick movement, it means that what most likely the buy is going to, sorry, let me cancel this. So now let's see if, so around the 306 I called the sell, and the sell entry was around the 2426. Yeah, 2426. So we sold out 2426. Yeah, 2426. As you can see, 306. Yeah, 306. This is the candlestick for 306. We sold around 2426. And our SL was just 20 pips away. Yeah, 20 about 15 pips away. And our first TP target was, I think, 50 pips. Yeah, first TP1 was 2421, 50 pips, and TP2 was 2319 just, yeah, 2319. So 421, and second TP was 419. Yeah, but so now let's see what price actually does, right? So boom, right here, immediately price went straight down and hit our first TP, and I think price almost got to our second TP, but I think at the end of the day, price even reversed our nose. Only at the end of the day, we are only able to secure what I think one TP target. Price reversed on us, stopped us at the end. But 50 pips, guys, come on, 50 pips. This risk to reward ratio was about a 1 to 3. I mean, we're risking about 20 pips to get 50 pips, which ended up eating our TP. So that was literally what happened on Wednesday, guys. Now let's head down to Thursday. So on Thursday, I think I called another sell trade around 3:30. So I wasn't able to enter 3 o'clock, and I waited till 3:38 because that Wednesday price movement was literally crazy, guys. So now let's head back in time. Let's head back in time and see what Thursday was seeing. Yeah, so Thursday 3 o'clock was around here. Yeah, so this was the movement for Thursday during 3 o'clock. Boom, immediately 3 o'clock reach, price started selling aggressively. Yeah, immediately 3 o'clock reach, price. So the sell move for 3 o'clock. So the sell move for 3 o'clock was a sell. So what I was literally, after I missed this sell entry, my sell entry on the 3 o'clock move, I was waiting for that 3:30 retracement to occur, which at the end of the day occurred. But price wasn't just smooth, and we ended up taking SL. Yeah. So it was at this point 3:38. After seeing some confirmation that okay, the sale is already happening, so we took our sell entry. Yeah, around this point exactly. I think I clearly remember. It was around this point we took our sell entry. It usually entered right here, and then I think their price stopped us out. And at the end of the day, I think we kind of like got the sell. Yeah, we got the sell. Boom, before price stopped us out. So it was just that was just that about the trade. So we entered here, price dropped a little and then stopped us out. This was where our first tip was around this point, if I clearly remember. At the end of the day, I mean, we got 3 wins and 2 losses. And with the strategy, I would say 2 wins and 2 losses for the week. For a good week, I mean, you could get all winning streaks. So just basically as simple as that. I hope you guys learn 1 or 2 from this. Make sure you drop your comments down below if you have any question regarding this. I'll do it to answer. See you guys. So there you have it, guys. That is my simple gold trading strategy. Just by I found this strategy, I discovered it by just literally back testing and staying in the forex market. Looking at what price has previously done. And even though it's not perfect, it's not 100% perfect. I mean, no strategy can be 100% perfect. I believe that I can work on this, and even if I don't ever have to stick with this, there's still a lot of stuff that can go with. Just like how I traded by myself on Monday. So there are a lot of confirmations you get in the market that will give you that sure A plus setups, and you know that this is a trade that you want to bank on, right? So it's that simple. So I'm sharing this strategy out there for free, and I believe that this is a plus knowledge for any trader in the market, and hopefully you guys use it to your advantage. Don't over risk, and trade wisely. And yeah, so for the VIP group, there's no need for you guys to contact me about the VIP. I'm going to be closing the VIP, and I don't think I'll be dropping any signal from now on, guys. I think I'll just leave my mentorship open. Anybody that wants to learn forex for me can just DM me on that, but I will not be offering any paid services like signals or anything. So make sure you guys don't come to my DM, guys. I just literally want to focus on myself and my trading journey. And since I have a strategy, why not just trade and make profit off forex? So without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, guys, please. You guys should carry me to 10k now. You guys should take me to 10k now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.